Hi everyone, welcome to A Square Maths Academy. Today we are going to discuss about binomial theorem. The question is, the number of rational terms in the expansion of square root of 3 plus 4th root 5 whole power of 124 is given here. So find out the number of rational terms. So options also given here: A 31, B 32, C 33, D 34. So this can written also 3 power of 1 by 2 we write here, 3 power of 1 by 2 plus 5 power of 1 by 4 whole power of 124 we write here. Okay. So in this expansion n equals to 124 we take here. So number of terms we take here, total number of terms. Total number of terms is 125. So n plus 1 terms are there. So n is nothing but 124. So total number of terms is nothing but 125. So we find out here rational terms here. First of all, rational terms. So how to take here? See here. For the finding of rational terms, we take here integral part of n by LCM of these values here. LCM of these values 2, 4. Okay. So what is n? N is nothing but 124. LCM of 2, 4 is nothing but 4. Okay. So 4 ones are 4 3s are again 4 ones are. So integral part of 31 we get here. So we get here 31. Okay. So then after you observe this one for the finding of rational terms here. Here 2 is divisible or not. First of all you observe this one. 124 divisible by 2 or not. 4 is divisible by 2 or not. So any one of this one is divisible this one అంటే ఈ రెంట్లో ఏదైనా ఒకటి దీన్ని divisible చేస్తుంది అంటే డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది అంటే సో we are adding one more of this one. Okay, so that is nothing but 32 is the answer. So the 32 numbers rational terms of given expansion is 32 we get here. Okay, సపోజ్ ఇందులో ఈ రెండిట్లో రెండు కూడా దీన్ని డివిజిబుల్ చేయని వాల్యూస్ ఇచ్చిన అనుకోండి, డైరెక్ట్లీ వాట్ ఈజ్ ఇంటీరియర్ పార్ట్ ఈస్ దేర్, సో వి టేక్ డైరెక్ట్లీ ఇంటీరియర్ పార్ట్ ఓన్లీ. ఓకే, ఆ రెంట్లో ఏదైనా ఒకటి డివిజిబుల్ చేసినా కానీ ఆటోమేటిక్గా మీరు 1 యాడ్ చేయండి, ఆటోమేటిక్గా మనకు ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో 32 ఇస్ ది రైట్ ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, సో అబ్జర్వ్ దిస్ వన్. ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్ హియర్ దీస్ ఆర్ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్. ఓకే, అదర్వైజ్ we are using one more method. So same method, but we are using how to do here. Next one. Now these are rational terms here. Now find out irrational terms also. Irrational terms is nothing but total terms here. Total number of terms 125 minus rational terms is nothing but remaining all are irrational terms. So these are how many they are? 12 minus 3 is nothing but okay, so 125 minus 32 is nothing but irrational terms. So these are 93 terms are exist here. Okay, so 93 terms are irrational terms and 32 terms are rational terms. Okay, right, next one, the number of rational terms in the expansion of 4th root 9 plus 6th root 8 whole power of 500 is given here. Options are 250, 251, 252, 253. So these are the given options here. So I will write here this expansion like this here. 9 power of 1 by 4 plus 8 power of 1 by 6 whole power of 500 we write here. So observe this one here. These are prime numbers or not prime. So 8 and 9 are given values here. So these are not prime numbers. So how to write here these values? See here, we find out here first of all in primes how to write here. This is nothing but 3 square. This is 2 cube. Okay, 2 cube 3 square. So I will write that one like this. So 3 square whole power of 1 by 4 is there. So 2 of 1 by 4 we get here. Okay, next plus 2 cube, that is nothing but 2 3 of 1 by 4 1 by 6 whole power of 500 we write here. Okay, so now we write here 3 power of 1 by 2 plus 2 power of 1 by 2. Okay, 3 power of 1 by 2, 2 power of also 1 by 2. Why? Because 2 ones are 2 twos are, 3 ones are 3 twos are. So whole power of 500 is there. Now we find out here rational terms of given expansion. Okay. So how many total terms are exist here? Total terms 501 and n equals to 500. The total number of terms 501. Total number of terms 501. Okay. Now we find out here rational terms. So how to take here? Here same process will follow. Of rational terms here, what we take here? Integral part of n by LCM of these values we take here. LCM of 2 comma 2 we take here. So what we get here? N value is nothing but 500 by LCM of 2 comma 2 is nothing but 2. So 2 ones are 250 is we get here. So integral part of 250 is nothing but we get here 250. 250. Clear? So observe this one here. 4 and here 2 is there. 2 is there. 2 is divisible by this one. 2 is divisible by this one. ఓకే అంటే 500 2 డివిజిబుల్ రెండింటిలో ఏదో ఒకటి డివిజిబుల్ చేసినా కానీ మనం 1 యాడ్ చేయాలి. 2 డివిజిబుల్ చేసినా కానీ 1 యాడ్ చేసి 2 డివిజిబుల్ చేయట్లేదు అంటే దీన్ని డివిజిబుల్ చేయట్లేదు అంటే ఇదే తీసుకోవాలి. ఇవే ఇంటిగ్రల్ పార్ట్ కానీ రేషనల్ టర్మ్ కానీ అవుతాయి. ఓకేనా? అంటే రెండిట్లో ఏది ఒక్కటి చేసినా పర్లేదు, 2 చేసినా పర్లేదు, మనం 1 యాడ్ చేస్తాం. లేదు 2 చేయట్లేదు అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తామంటే 1 యాడ్ చేయకుండా డైరెక్ట్ 250 రేషనల్ టర్మ్స్ అంటాం. క్లియర్? సో ఇయర్ రేషనల్ టర్మ్స్ ఆర్ are 251 we get here. So 251 terms are rational terms. That's why here B is the option. Okay. So remaining all are irrational terms. So 501 is total terms. Rational terms 251. So 501 minus 251. So 250 terms are exist here. So 250 terms are irrational terms. So this is irrational terms. These are rational terms. Okay. Or integral terms also. ఎందుకంటే మనం ఇంటిగ్రల్ పార్టే ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి ఇంటిగ్రల్ టర్మ్స్ అన్న రేషనల్ టర్మ్స్ అన్న బోత్ ఆర్ సేమ్ వాల్యూ వి గెట్ హియర్. ఓకే. చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాల్సిందంటే ఇచ్చిన ఎక్స్పెన్షన్లో 9, 8 ఉన్నవి ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్సా కావా చూసుకోవాలి. ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ కాకపోతే ప్రైమ్స్కి చేంజ్ చేసేయాలి. చేంజ్ చేసిన తర్వాతనే మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే. So the number of irrational terms in the expansion of 5 power of 1 by 6 plus 2 power of 1 by 8 whole power of 100 is how much? Options are given here: 96, 97, 98 and 99. Here observe this one here. First of all, here n equals to 100, x equals to 5 power of 1 by 6, a equals to 2 power of 1 by 8. So this is the expansion of x plus a whole power of n. Okay. So first of all you observe this one. Okay. So n by LCM of here this one we take here. N is nothing but here 100 is there. N by LCM of 6, 8 we take here. Okay. So what we get here? 100 divided by LCM of 6, 8 is nothing but what we get here? 2 3s are 2 4s are, that is nothing but 24 is the LCM. 24 is the LCM. So we take here integral part of this one. Okay. So integral part of n by LCM of 6, 8. So what we get here? 100 by 24 we get here. So that is nothing but. So now we find out here integral part of 100 by 24. So how to find out here? That is nothing but 100 is divisible by 24. That is possible or not? First of all you take that one. 24 4s are 96. So we get here 4. So point we take here 0. So 24 2s are 48. So that's why we take it 24 1s are 24 like that here. So 4 point some value we get here. So we get here integral part of 4.1, that is nothing but 4 we get here. Integral part of 4.1 4. Okay. So here then after you observe this one. Here 6 is divisible by 6. So 100 is divisible by 6 or not? First of all you observe that is. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన వాల్యూస్లో 6, 8 ఈ రెంట్లో ఏదైనా ఒకటి 100 డివిజిబుల్ చేస్తుంది అంటే ఆటోమేటిక్గా మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే 4+1 యాడ్ చేయాలి. డివిజిబుల్ చేయట్లేదు కాబట్టి 4గా తీసుకుంటాం. ఇప్పుడు ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఏమైతే ఇవి రేషనల్ టర్మ్స్ అవుతాయి. రేషనల్ టర్మ్స్ ఆర్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ టర్మ్స్. So how many they are? 4 we take it. Okay, clear? So rational terms are, integral terms are 4. So that's why we find out here irrational terms here. Remaining all are irrational terms here. Okay, irrational terms. So what are they? So total number of terms 101. So we are deleting rational terms from 101. What we get here? 97 we get here. So 97 irrational terms are exist here. Okay.